Hello the Internet, thank you for joining us on our video series Good Call, all about driving calls and AdWords. This video is about setting up your call ads for success. My name's Sean Quadlin, I'm a product marketing manager focusing on SEM best practices. So let's talk about some best practices for call ads. Now you want to start by making it easy and enticing for your customers to call you. You can do this in some key areas: your ad text, your ad scheduling, and making decisions based on the call data that you receive. So to start, write ad text that showcases your company's value and drives users to call. You want to give someone a compelling reason to call you specifically. Now, if you're using call extensions, your text should focus on driving site visitors instead. So there's an important distinction there. But if you're writing ads for call specifically, explain why you're the business that will be able to fulfill their needs, especially over the phone. Now, the second point is scheduling ads that drive calls when you have someone there to answer. Whether it's extensions or call-only ads, enable a schedule that drives calls when you have someone there to answer the phone. Don't waste your money or your users' time by generating a call that you can't accept. Finally, remember to factor in time zones as you enable that schedule. In this case, the advertisers open from 7 to 8 p.m. on a daily basis on the weekdays, but that's for their time zone specifically. Your users might be calling at a different time, so think about that as you set up your scheduling. The final point to setting up your ads for success is to use AdWords calls data to make decisions about scheduling staff. Once you have enough call data to act on, you can schedule calls to align with your staffing. Reduce things like hold time, so your users just have a better experience when they call you on the phone. Know when your peak call times are and where your customers are calling from. You can review this information in the Call Details report on the Dimensions tab. Look for things like start time, duration, and caller area code. You can understand who's calling and when, and then respond accordingly. Finally, if you have distinct product lines or offerings, implement different phone numbers for customers that call about those different products. That way you give your staff confidence that they'll be able to answer the phone and have the right context. So when you're trying to set up your call ads for success, write great ads to entice calls, be thoughtful about when you schedule your ads to appear, and finally, make decisions about your calls based on call data. Thanks for watching this video. Please check out the rest in our series all about driving calls and AdWords.